Greetings, precious ones. I hope all is well. Listen, he who walks with the wise grows wise, but a companion of fools suffers harm. That's Proverbs 13 and 20. I was thinking about my father. He was a man of wisdom, a man of few words, but when he spoke, people listened because he had wise counsel. He lived a long life, experience. Wisdom was here before the foundation of the world. Wisdom. Proverbs. The book of Proverbs, read it. It's full of wisdom. It helps you not to make rash decisions. That's right. Wisdom keeps you out of trouble. Wisdom teaches you right from wrong. That's right. Wisdom speaks. It has a sound. And I pray this day that the eyes of your understanding will be enlightened to the sound, the voice of wisdom.